Okay, everyone, back with the Nova project. We've got the engine bay completely painted up. I must say the Duplicolor works really well. Coverage is great. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, but I have put in a full day of body work and Bondo, well, not Bondo, body filler, and she's getting there. She's getting there. There you go, everyone. Just cleaning her up a little bit at a time. A little bit of drip rail fixage here. Oh, the cancer looks bad. We'll have it looking good as new soon, I hope. Taking all the mirrors off. All my marker lights. I got the front end cleaned. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. Got all that chrome looking clean again. There you go. Alright, everyone. Until the next one, this is where we stop for now.